Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and look what I got in the mail today. I will have all the information of the company that sent all this crochet hair to me. I have this first one called Passion Twist, and I'm getting ready to install this, and I wanted to show you guys how the hair looks before I put it in. You see those beautiful waves and curls. This is the picture. So I'm getting ready to do that, and they sent me this hair jewelry, this mirror, and these two clips. So I'm getting ready to install this hair. Then I will come back and show you how it looks. Let me see if I can make it a little more clear, the hair. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So I'm getting ready to install, and they also sent me this one. It's called Spring Senegalese Twist, and this hair is a little bit shorter, and they also sent the hair jewelry, a mirror, two clips. They did put two clips in here, and there's 6 packs of hair. In both packs there's 6 packs, and goodness, I don't have this one open, but I'm getting ready to open it for you guys, trying to do this with one hand. And this is the shorter hair, so that's how that one looks. And what I will do with this hair, I'm going to go ahead and make a wig with this one, and that way you guys can see how that looks. Okay, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Alright, so when I come back, I will have all the information regarding the company and the cost and everything. Okay? Plus it'll be in my hair. I'll be back. Okay, you know what? As I was applying these Passion Twist in, it occurred to me maybe it would be interesting if I show you guys how I do it. You know, there's different ways to do it. I don't claim to be a professional for Passion Twist, but I do know how to crochet now. So this is what I am putting in, and I will have the name of the company on Amazon down here somewhere, and also in my description box. And that's what I'm putting in. I am using the crochet wig cap. This one I got from my beauty supply, neighborhood beauty supply. So that's what I'm using there. This is how the hair looks. So you can see it more clear. It is beautiful. It is so soft. This hair is amazingly soft. And let me show you how the top looks. It's pre-looped. So you can see that it's pre-looped right there. And what I do is I open it up. Let me put this down here. I open this up like so. Okay, and then I just apply it. So what I'm going to do, I think I'll do a few in front of you guys, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish. Okay. Okay, so I'm in the back right now. I still have the whole front to do, but I'm in the back, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to cut this band off. Okay, so let me go back here. Make sure you guys can see. So this is how it looks back here. Don't judge me. Okay, I'm going to go here, go like so, put it on here, bring it through, like that. I've been doing it like 3 times, and then tighten it, and then what I do from there, I just twist like this. And the hair accessories, the gold clasp and silver clasp that they sent me, I will be putting them in the front on my twist. And so I don't do all the fancy steps that the other people do. It still looks like the Passion Twist though that I've seen. So that's how that's looking right there. And then I'm going to do it again, because it's something I've never done on my channel. So I thought, why not? And then I separate it like so. And I have this. Let me make sure I'm in the camera. And then go through. 1, 2, 3, tighten, turn around, and oh, I think I got one caught in here. Hold on. Which one did I get caught in here? Okay. I got an extra one caught in here. I don't know which one. Okay. Do it like this. And just start twisting. It starts looking like that. And what I do is I seem to have gotten, I don't know what happened here. Okay, I wasn't paying attention. That's okay. I'm going to do another one. And then I'm going to go off camera, finish, and then I will come back when I have it styled, because there's many hairstyles I could do with this. But right now, I'm just putting it in. Taking it, going like so. Okay. And then, which one do I want to do? Maybe right here. Okay. Make sure I'm in there. Then I'm going to twist it. This hair is so soft. You could either go ahead and twist it, or you could wear it loose. Look how it looks loose. You could even do a look with that and fluff it up, you know. I like this. I keep on twisting. Okay, there you go, like that. So I'm going to go ahead, finish, and then I will come back with the finished product. I'll be back. Okay, so here is the hair that I installed, and here's the information. The hair is $32.99. You get 6 packs, and I really do like their packaging a lot. And the name of the company is right there. So if you want to order some hair for yourself, and mine is in the color 1B as well. I don't know if I said that before. Okay, so let me go ahead and show my install. Okay, it is the next morning. It took me quite a while to install all of this hair because I was doing other things at the same time, but it is the next morning, and this is how the hair looks after I installed it all. I have my hair candy in right here, did my baby hairs, and so that's how it's looking. And let me show the top. Here goes the side. And I twisted all of this, so all of this is twisted. Let me show the back. Okay, here's the back. Alright, and that's how that's looking. The side there. Okay, and here's the side over here too as well. So you can see how I did it. And this is how the hair is looking, and I twisted it all. It's all twisted so you can see it real good. Okay, so just before this, I showed the site on Amazon, and I showed the name of the company if you're interested in getting your own. And you do get 6 packs of hair, and it comes in a bag like this. Okay, it comes in a bag like this. And the shipping is incredibly fast. I'm telling you, I got it like in, what, 2 or 3 days? It was really fast. So yeah, you want your summer dew. There you go. And this hair is so soft. It's light. It just moves, you know. It's not heavy on my head. I don't feel like my head is overheated from so much hair. So yeah, this is really good. And I did receive some more hair, so I'll be right back with that. But as for this hair, that is it for this review. And I did a little tiny demo there too. So thank you guys so much for watching. You have a blessed, safe day, and you take care. Bye-bye.